Hey everyone, I'm Eric. Today I'm taking you to the 2025 Pasadena Rose Parade. This year was different from any other. The entire parade happened in heavy rain. Our family got completely soaked, but honestly, it was worth it. Fewer people showed up because of the rain, which meant we ended up with one of the best views possible. A lot of people think this is just about pretty floats. But once you're actually here, you realize this isn't decoration. This is engineering, built entirely out of flowers. Every January 1st, early in the morning, Colorado Boulevard fills up with hundreds of thousands of people. Blankets, coffee cups, folding chairs. People show up before sunrise just to get a spot. Because for a lot of Americans, this is how the new year officially begins. Here's the crazy part. Every single float you see, no plastic, no fake materials, everything is real plant matter. Roses, carnations, orchids, seeds, bark, moss. Even the smallest detail has to be natural. One exposed screw? That's a violation. Each float takes months to design, and in the final stretch, dozens, sometimes hundreds, of volunteers hand-place every single flower, petal by petal. And these floats aren't just beautiful. They tell stories about family, technology, dreams, the future, and how Americans think about a new beginning. So what you're really watching isn't a parade. It's a moving statement of values. Between the floats, you get marching bands from across the US and from around the world. For many of these students, this is the biggest performance of their lives. Walking here means more than winning any competition. Add in the horseback units, the old school Western vibe, and suddenly you feel it. This event is deeply American, but not flashy. It's proud, and it's traditional. Locals like to say, if you don't watch the Rose Parade, the year hasn't really started. And it makes sense, because later that day, the Rose Bowl football game kicks off, and the whole city stays in celebration mode, all day long. So, is it worth seeing in person? Honestly, if you want to understand America's sense of ritual, this matters more than fireworks. If you enjoy travel stories that go beyond sightseeing and actually explain the culture behind a place, make sure to like and subscribe.